Hey, what's up? How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Man vs. Cards, and today we are taking on box number 2 of 2019-20 Upper Deck Ice. As you can see in the back, I've opened a box of this already, and that video is up on the channel if you'd like to check it out. It was a very solid box, and it has a bit of a product breakdown before I get into it if you'd like to watch that. One thing I did notice about that video was that I forgot to show the back of the box, I'm pretty sure. So there is that for anyone who might be interested. As far as this one goes, we're just going to get right into it. So we will start off with our overtime pack. So we've got Laurent Brossoit, Andrei Svechnikov, a blue rookie of Daniil Yertakin, and a Clappers of Filip Forsberg. And to the main event. Alright, so we've got our 5 packs, and just a quick refresher, we are looking for our 1 hard sign card, 2 rookie premieres, and 1 relic or exquisite card in every box. Looks like we've got a jersey in here. So we've got Sidney Crosby, an orange of Austin Matthews, an Ice Premiers rookie jersey card of Trent Frederick, nice weight to these cards. Got Henrik Lundqvist and Alex Ovechkin. Nathan MacKinnon. Blake Wheeler. We've got a green of Tyler Seguin. We've got a decoy. We've got a Sub-Zero Rookies San Jose of Mario Ferrero. So that is just numbered out of 999. And Jack Eichel. All right, we made a mess of that one. So we've got Alex Pietrangelo, a green of Matthew Tkachuk. It looks like we've got our exquisite in here. So we've got Rasmus Dahlin and Anthony Mantha on the back. And our exquisite, oh, there's the name right off the bat. So we've got, oh, and it's an autograph, okay. So we have a gold exquisite, Ilya Mikheyev. So that is numbered out of just 25. Okay, very nice looking card. Looks like they could have gone for a new pen, possibly before signing this. Looks like it's a little bit, I don't know, runny or something like that. I'm not sure what makes those little air bubbles in there, but definitely could have gone for a new pen before signing this one. But very nice card nonetheless. Patrick Kane, Phil Kessel, a green of Filip Forsberg. We've got a decoy. We have our Ice Premiers out of 999 of Leanne Bergman and Jordan Binnington. And last pack. We've got Sebastian Aho, Carey Price, green. Got a decoy, should be an Ice Premiers of Panthers. Alexei Sarella, Premiers out of $4.99 So that is a level 3. The back there. And we finish off with Seth Jones and Tyler Sagan. All right, I'm going to sleeve some of these up and I'll be right back with a recap. All right, here's a recap for everyone. We've got our greens of Philip Forsberg, Tyler Sagan, Carey Price, Matthew Tkachuk, and an orange Austin Matthews. We've got our Sub-Zero of Mario Ferrero, numbered out of 999. We've got Ice Premier's rookie out of 999, so level 4 of Leanne Bergman. We've got Ice Premier's rookie out of 499, so a level 3 of Alexi Sarella. Got an Ice Premier's jersey of Trent Frederick. And definitely the hit of the box, we have a gold exquisite rookie auto, numbered out of 25, of Ilya Mikheyev. So let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of today's box. I think that my first box there was definitely stronger than this one. The Mikheyev still is a very nice hit though, getting the gold version for the exquisite auto, so I can't complain too much there. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. I've got lots of videos coming down the pipeline, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.